Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to project presentation on home automation system, initiated by third year electrical engineering department under guidance of Professor Jyotsna Sahni ma'am. A group consists of 4 members, myself Sanket Sadashiv Paul, roll number 28. Introduction. The term home automation means merely to explain the synchronized operation of all home appliances and other cooling and electronic devices. What is home automation or HA? Home automation is a wireless home appliance control system accessed by a remote device such as mobile phone, Android or iOS to allow a homeowner to control, monitor and coordinate home appliances without changing the home infrastructure. Why home automation? 1. Saves time. 2. Save money, long run. 3. Self-maintenance. 4. Security. 5. Makes life easy. System design. HA is a system which is controlled by a remote system such as a cell phone like Android or iOS phone. It is built around a microcontroller with adjoining relays for interfacing with AC devices. There will be sensors for the system to operate automatically according to weather conditions. In case of emergency such as fire, the user or an organization such as fire department should be notified. Also, HA should have a database of information about the users and appliances. System data flow. Server, smartphone, controlling device application to via Bluetooth to Bluetooth application to parallel port interfacing to switching circuitry to devices. Software description. Android has an active community of developers and enthusiasts who use the Android open source project OSP source code to develop and distribute their own modified versions of the operating system. Arduino is an open source physical computing platform for creating interactive objects that stand alone or collaborate with software on your computer. Arduino was designed for artists, designers, and others who want to incorporate physical computing into their designs. The word Arduino can mean 3 things: a piece of hardware, a programming environment, a community, or philosophy. Android is a mobile operating system currently developed by Google, based on Linux Kernel. Android is primarily a Google effort in collaboration with the Open Handset Alliance. Android has an active community of developers and enthusiasts who use the Android open source project OSP source code to develop and distribute their own modified versions of the operating system. Bluetooth application. Bluetooth 10 is an open source Android application which can be used to send the Bluetooth commands to Bluetooth module via serial COM port RxTX. Android uses Bionic in place of a standard C library, originally developed by Google specifically for Android, as a derivation of the BSD standard C library code. The main benefits of using Bionic instead of the GNU C library are its different licensing model, smaller runtime footprint and optimization for low-frequency CPUs. It is under GPL license and provided on GitHub. Hardware description. Home automation contains a controller, various sensors, relays, motors and further AC appliances which are needed to be controlled. It has Arduino controller which provides the necessary signals for the output devices connected. It has a Bluetooth module which is responsible for communicating to the mobile device or smartphone. Relays are connected in the circuit to isolate the AC appliances with the microcontroller. Motor driver ICs for driving the DC motors. Home automation system allows you to have control over your home electronics, electrical devices, heating, cooling systems through your smartphone. Thanks to the advanced technology that you can now remotely control your home devices from any part of the world by using your mobile phones. The devices include your lighting control system, HVAC systems, kitchen appliances and many more which are hooked to remotely controlled network system. The home automation system is an amalgamation of many items such as system management software and hardware components like temperature controllers, sensors and other critical electronic components. Devices that are networked through the home automation system can communicate with each other either by direct wired connectivity or through the wireless or Bluetooth network. With home automation system hooked with the local network can eliminate all sorts of distraction and can even interrupt the AV system to make announcements. Home automation system controls and monitors various electrical signals from multiple devices. Interestingly, the same job is done by a web browser to manage your home automation system. Aspects like food preparation and preservation can be effectively made through automation like using pre-packed food. Of course, such a task can be done only with standardized products that are compatible with automation. With home automation system, you can walk comfortably in a dark area by switching on your car lights. Whenever the car alarm activates, the system can alert the concerned authorities with a message to your mobile phone.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.